this is another guitar tutorial from Matchbox 20. Ito yung yung bent. So this is acoustic version lang siya. We're doing it sa sa acoustic lang. Tapos yung tuning niya is so standard, tapos yung capo would be on the 2nd fret. Okay? So parang tumaas pa ng isang whole step yung nota niya. Okay, so so yung first intro natin, bali yung chord note niya would be parang E minor, pero nag-hammer on ako sa A2 and then open D, tapos hammer on din sa D2. That's the first. So parang ganito. Tapos E minor strum. And then next would be D2 open. Tapos next would be C sharp. Pero kasama siya, it's D2 tapos A4. Parang ganito. And then next would be CM7. Ganito din. D2 tapos C3. Tapos balik sa E minor. So slow. Dun sa pangatlo, bagsak na lang. And if I fall along the way. Yung verse will be our next. Okay, for our verse, bale yung chord note doon, bale 3. A minor, D, and then E minor. Or yung iba nilalagyan na ng parang 7, parang ganyan. Pero sa akin parang okay yung E minor lang. So i-play natin. And if I fall along the way, A minor yun. D, pick me up and mess me up. If I get tired to make it. Tapos balik ulit. It's 4 times. Tapos papasok na yung pre-chorus, which will be our next. Okay, for our pre-chorus, yung chord note niya bale G, tapos D, F sharp, o kaya parang ganyan na lang para mas madali. And then E minor, tapos A minor, and then the last part would be D. So let's play. Shouldn't be so complicated. E minor, complicated. Just hold me. Tapos A minor, hold me, and then twice. Tapos magdi-D ka na doon. So ulit. Shouldn't be so complicated. Just hold me and then next would be our chorus na. Okay, for our chorus, bale, yung chord note niya would be G. Tapos, F sharp, E minor, and then C, M7, yung A3, saka D2. Yan yung C, M7, parang ganyan. And then, last part would be D. Okay, G muna. And you help me, and then I'm so scared that I never go back together. Ulit, keep breaking me, G. And this is F sharp muna, F sharp D. And you and me. Dun sa pangalawa, you will not be playing yung D na. So, mag-stop ka na dun sa C, M7. Tapos, yung discard ko dun, bali, nag-hammer on ako sa dito sa D2. Parang ganito. And you help me, and then I'm so scared that I'll never get put back together. Keep breaking me in, and this is how we will end, you and me. Nag-hammer on ako sa dito. Tapos yung bagsakan mo G, F sharp D, tapos E minor, and then yung sunod na nun would be verse 2. Tapos same pattern lang dun sa sa tinuro ko kanina, and then pre-chorus 2, tapos chorus 2, and then next would be yung bridge part na, which would be our last. Yun na yung last na parang riff nun, yung guitar riff niya. Okay, for our bridge part, bale, it contains dalawang chord, would be E minor, saka CM7. Pero, yung ginawa ko siya parang ganito. Yun din yung ginagawa ni Rob dun sa live performance niya nung band. It's 3 times. Tapos ang bridge part na stop bending me. Tapos CM7. It's never enough till I feel all your pieces out. Stop bending me, keep bending me until I'm completely broken. Tapos balik na dun sa intro, yung pinakauna na tinuro ko. Tapos C sharp, parang siya, C sharp / E, tapos CM7, and then E minor. Tapos sunod nun yung pre-chorus na pattern, and then chorus twice, tapos yun na, end na. So that's it. That's my guitar tutorial for band ng Matchbox 20. So I hope may napulot kayo dun sa tutorial ko. And then please do follow me sa Facebook ko ulit. Tapos yung Jong TV 360 ko na YouTube channel ko din. So ngayon nasa going 300 na ata siya eh. Mababa pa. So thank you very much sa support nyo, and then more guitar tutorials pa. Okay? And then, thank you very much again. Happy weekend, guys. Thank you.